Screenplay title: Whispers of the Wild Rail. Genre: adventure and nature. Duration: approximately 5 to 6 minutes. Setting: a scenic train journey through jungle and mountains. Int: train station, early morning. Golden sunlight spills over the quiet platform. Birds chirp. A faint mist hovers above the tracks. Wide shot. A majestic old train waits, steam drifting from its engine. SFX: gentle birdsong. Distant train whistle. Rustling trees. Narrator VO: as dawn stretches its arms, a silent promise stirs on the tracks. A train, more than metal, ready to carry us through the untouched heart of the world. Train whistles. Passengers board slowly. Ext: jungle track. Day. The train snakes into a lush, dense forest. Green dominates the screen. Trees arch overhead like natural tunnels. SFX: insects buzzing. Parrots calling. Leaves rustling. Drone shot. Overhead view of train cutting through endless green. Narrator VO: deeper we go, into the jungle's breath. Every tree a sentinel. Every sound a whisper of the ancient world. Int: TRAI in window view. A child points at a monkey swinging from a branch. A woman takes a photo of a toucan. Ext: river crossing. Midday. The train crosses a narrow bridge. Below, a rushing river glimmers under sunlight. SFX: rushing water. Metal wheels on tracks echo over the bridge. Narrator VO: rivers run free beneath us, carving paths through time. We glide above them. Passengers of both steel and spirit. Ext: mountain pass, a late afternoon. The jungle thins. Rocky cliffs rise. Mist hugs the slopes. SFX: wind howling softly. Distant eagle cry. Wide shot. The train clings to the mountainside, dwarfed by towering peaks. Narrator VO: the climb begins. Nature shifts. From leaf to stone. From song to silence. Int: train inside cabin. A man looks out, eyes wide in awe. The sun paints the mountains in orange hues. Passenger softly. This is where the world still breathes. Int: TRAI in dark tunnel. Lights flicker. The train thunders into darkness. SFX: echoing wheels. Distant water dripping. Narrator VO: inside the mountain's heart. We wait, in silence. Then light. Ext: mountain overlooks sunset. The train halts briefly at a viewpoint. Passengers step out. Below, endless valleys and fading light. Drone shot. A sweeping view of sunset over jungle and cliffs. Passenger smiling. To no one in particular. We didn't just pass through nature, we lived it. Narrator VO: this journey is not measured in distance, but in wonder. EXT: train moving into the night. Stars twinkle above. The train's lights glow in the dark. It winds away into the hills. SFX: crickets. A soft breeze. Distant train horn. Narrator VO: as night returns, the jungle sleeps, the mountains stand watch, and the story rolls on. Fade out. Text on screen. Whispers of the Wild Rail. A journey where nature and time meet on tracks of wonder.